Our number one priority for our kiddos, their safety. Sorry about the messy room. So, on Amazon, I got these awesome window alarms.
Yes.
They make a noise when the kids open the windows or if someone tries to get in. It's loud, but it works. See? And another sound. All great.
It works perfectly. Very noisy. And you put it back. Okay, now it's the other alarm. Very, very loud. Perfect. It works really good.
Okay. Battery works. No chime, no alarm.